Welcome back everyone, and a very warm welcome to TechUnboxPro, your trusted destination for premium smartphone reviews, future flagship leaks, and honest tech insights. Friends, today we are diving deep into a smartphone that has created massive curiosity among Nokia fans and Android lovers worldwide, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra represents a bold step forward for Nokia in the premium flagship segment. This smartphone is designed for users who want a clean Android experience, powerful performance, long battery life, and a truly premium design. From the very first look, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra feels like a future-ready smartphone that wants to compete with the best Android flagships in the market. Let's start with the design and build quality. Nokia has always been known for durability, and the Oxygen Ultra continues that legacy with a solid yet elegant design. The phone features a sleek glass body with a refined finish that feels premium in the hand. The edges are smoothly curved, the frame feels strong, and the overall build gives confidence that this is a device built to last. The edge-to-edge display and minimal bezels add to the modern flagship look, making the Nokia Oxygen Ultra feel both stylish and professional. Moving on to the display, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra comes with a stunning AMOLED panel that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels. The high refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and a better gaming experience. Whether you are watching videos, browsing social media, or playing heavy games, the display performance feels top-tier and immersive. For content consumption and daily use, this display easily matches what you expect from a premium Android smartphone. Now let's talk about performance, which is a major highlight of the Nokia Oxygen Ultra. Powered by a flagship-level processor and paired with ample RAM and fast storage, this smartphone handles multitasking, gaming, and daily usage effortlessly. Apps open quickly, switching between tasks feels smooth, and even demanding games run without noticeable lag. For users who want speed, stability, and long-term performance, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra delivers a reliable flagship experience. The camera system is another area where Nokia Oxygen Ultra shines. The main camera captures sharp, detailed photos with natural colors in daylight. Dynamic range is impressive, and images look clean without being over-processed. In low-light conditions, night photography is well optimized, producing brighter images with controlled noise. Video recording is smooth and stable, making it suitable for content creators and bloggers. The front camera also performs well, delivering clear selfies and good video quality for calls and social media. Battery life is one of the strongest selling points of the Nokia Oxygen Ultra. The phone packs a large battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy usage, including gaming, streaming, and browsing. For moderate users, it can even stretch beyond a day. Fast charging support ensures that you can quickly top up the battery and get back to using your phone without long waiting times. This makes the Nokia Oxygen Ultra a dependable choice for users who are always on the move. One of the biggest advantages of the Nokia Oxygen Ultra is its clean Android experience. The phone runs on near-stock Android, which means no unnecessary bloatware, smooth animations, and better long-term performance. You also get faster software updates and enhanced security, which is a big plus for users who value privacy and stability. Features like in-display fingerprint sensor, AI-based performance optimization, and smooth system navigation add to the overall user experience. In terms of audio and connectivity, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra comes with powerful stereo speakers that deliver clear and loud sound. Whether you are watching videos or listening to music, the audio quality feels rich and immersive. The phone also supports future-ready connectivity options, ensuring faster speeds and reliable network performance. So the big question is, who should buy the Nokia Oxygen Ultra? If you are looking for a premium Nokia smartphone, a powerful Android flagship with clean UI, excellent battery life, and a balanced camera system, then the Nokia Oxygen Ultra is definitely worth considering. It combines Nokia's legendary durability with modern flagship features, making it a strong competitor in the high-end smartphone market. Before we wrap up, friends, I want to say one thing clearly: the Nokia Oxygen Ultra is not just another smartphone. It is Nokia's statement that they are serious about flagship innovation and long-term user experience. If you found this detailed review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to TechUnboxPro, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming smartphone reviews, leaks, and future tech content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay connected with TechUnboxPro.